Hey everybody, today I am making a birthday card for my Facebook group. So first off, I have a piece of white cardstock that I embossed with this pattern, which turned out like this. Turned out pretty good. And then I did my outline with my die cut, my rectangle die cut, and then I made a happy birthday. I just stamped it with happy, and I stamped it with birthday. Then I just embossed it, and then I just cut it out. Cut it out with my die cuts. Now, for the center of the card, I went through my stamps, and I think I'm going to use this one, this stamp. So I am going to stamp it out using my stamped Prefect that I found at Walmart, my positioning tool. It was $20. I didn't think it'd be that useful, but I thought I'd give it a try, and actually it is. So yeah, so I got it all set up here, and I am going to stamp this out. Okay, so I inked it and pressing it down. See, this one comes with a foam piece that you can put in the bottom. That way, if your stamp is not as thick as this one, you can raise it up, right? Because cling stamps are not very thick, right? So you need the rubber behind it, the foam behind it. But this is a custom made stamp, so it is thicker. So yeah, like that. See how that turned out? So okay, so that's one. I'm going to make another one, just in case I screw the first one up. It's always good to have a backup. And there's my second one, my backup one. So what I was thinking was, I can either cut it out, emboss it, and do it the same color as the background, or cut it out, color it with pencil crayons, then emboss it. So I'm trying to figure out which one I should do. So that's why I made two. So I think I'm going to cut it out, emboss it, and do it the exact same color as the rest of the card. I'm going to try that, see how it looks. Okay, so I cut it out and embossed it, and that's what it looks like. I think this will work, and I think it can line up. So the next task is picking what color, lining it up, and gluing it. I think I want purple, so I'm going to check my stamps and look for purple. So I didn't have purple, so I did it in pink, and I lined it up, and I glued it. So I'm thinking I'm going to do the whole thing pink, because I think it would be blend in better, and you won't see these lines here. It should hopefully blend in all together. So I'm going to go for it. I'm going to do it all pink. Okay, I did it all pink. So now I'm going to put my happy birthdays on and do the same, hoping for the best. So I got the birthday on there. Now see, if you can see there's a flat embossed side. and a raised embossed side. So if you put the raised side down, it kind of makes it look stand up a bit more, stand out a bit more. See, almost gives you that, I don't know if it's quite a 3D effect, but kind of gives you that raised look, like a layered look. So I'm going to put this on and then do it pink. So it's very pink, dark pink. So I'm going to let this dry and I'm going to clean up my workspace, and then I'm going to pick my card color, and yeah, so I'm just going to let this dry. And I chose a pink cardstock, so it is very pink. So go pink or go home. I like the way this turned out, even though it is very pink. But I think they'll like it. I like it. It's different. So yeah, all I gotta do is put my note in and a few little presents. So I'm gonna include these pretty feathers, some butterflies, and some stamped images that I made. So I'm gonna include that in with my card because it is her birthday. She needs a little present, and it has to be flat because I have to mail it, right? So yeah, so I'm going to include those in my card, and yeah, so I just got to put my message in, and I already made the envelope. Let's see if I can show you without showing the address. See, I just made an envelope, and I just use stamps on either side of the candle stamps. I found this candle stamp at Walmart. It just looks like this. It was $2.50 Canadian at Walmart. So that is this is my birthday card for my Facebook group.